Today in this video, I am going to talk about an amazing insurance for those who work as laborers. We can call it labor insurance, central number scheme, or trade pension scheme. Normally, we have organized sectors. What are organized sectors? They are where people receive a monthly salary. Who are the people in the unorganized sectors? They do not have monthly salaries. They get paid only if they go to work each day. These people are called the unorganized sectors. They do not have a monthly salary, but they are covered by SMS. The government has introduced a good insurance for them called labor insurance. If something unexpected happens to these construction workers at the workplace, what will be the future of them and their families? Every construction worker should pay Rs 22 tons per year, totaling Rs 110 for 5 years to get this insurance. Depending on the severity of the accident, if there is 50% disability, they will receive 2.5 lakhs. If there is 100% disability, they will receive 5 lakhs from the government. Additionally, if they die naturally, the nominee will receive 1 lakh. If they die in an accident, they will receive 6 lakhs. So who is eligible for this? People aged 18 to 55, whether they are women or men, can join this. They can enroll themselves. What do they need to prove their eligibility? They need to provide their documents, which means they must have a white ration card, an Aadhaar card, and a bank account. If they don't have a bank account, they can open one. If they don't have an Aadhaar card, they can also get one. Now, how much do they need to pay for this? We need to pay a note of Rs 10. This should be done every 5 years. Where should this be paid? You need to pay a challan of Rs 10 at the bank, and every district has a labor office. You need to submit these either at the labor office, MRO office, or MPDO. After writing and submitting the application, you will receive a policy indicating that you are listed in the labor insurance. Make sure to inform everyone at home about this. Please be careful. In case of an accident, it should be submitted to the specified office, and everyone at home should be informed about this. Because some people, whether men or women, said that we should avail such benefits. This means we should also discuss it at home. If I say that I am doing this and in the future, if something happens to me, submit this paper to the specified person. Then they will get the benefit. In this context, the super benefit of the insurance is that cost benefit. What cost benefit means is, suppose 1,000 marriages have taken place and people who have been married for 50 years have joined the labor insurance. Let's assume they have 2 daughters. For their wedding expenses, they will be given Rs 30,000 each. After marriage, they will have deliveries, right? For each delivery, they will be given Rs 30,000. They need to provide proofs for all these. If all these are submitted, they will receive a cashback. I told you earlier that it will be deposited into the account. When will all this happen? It is important to join the insurance. See how beneficial it is. Make sure everyone knows about this. Immediately meet your labor officer and keep it updated. So that's the video. If you like this video, please like it, subscribe to the channel and share it with those who don't know. And for more videos, keep watching.